Hi guys, welcome back. There's a couple things I need to fix. My hair, and I gotta moisturize before we start this tutorial. Alright, so I guess we're gonna go ahead and start this tutorial. Gonna take out my music, and right now I'm listening to Zayn's album. The first step other than moisturizing is applying your primer before applying any other foundation, yada yada. For this tutorial, I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the shade Caramel. For this video, I'm going to be using affordable products. You may see things that I've bought from Sephora. I'll be switching them out for things that I've found at the drugstore lately. For my brows, I'm using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio pomade in the shade Brown. Moving on to concealer. The one that I'm using is by Colourpop, and I actually bought this at my local Ulta store. This one cost me $5.90. I forgot that they released this, and honestly, I'm so sad that I've slept on it because this works so well, guys. For the value and for the quality and for how it blends so well on the face, I am definitely going to buy this product again. Of course, this wouldn't be a JAYLANI video if I didn't show you another song. I'm listening to Heartbroken by Brandy. I'm gonna go ahead and start baking. The powder that I'm using is by Airspun, and this one costs about $5.39 at Target. Okay, now let me show you what I'm excited about. The palette that I got is, yes, it is the So Jaded palette. It's a collab made by Colourpop with kathleenlights. And if you do not know who she is, I very highly suggest that you go up to the search bar after the video and search up kathleenlights. I'm gonna go ahead and reveal what it is. Open it. There are 30 colors in this palette. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and go in because I'm super excited to use this palette. So of course, we're gonna start off with some primer. This delicate little shade that I'm dipping into is called My Precious, and I'm using that as a base. I'm gonna make sure to pat that on lightly. This next shade is called Geodude, super cool. And I'm going to use that as my transition shade. Then to deepen this look up, I'm dipping into Jade. I'm using a pencil brush to help pack in that pigment, but later you'll see me blend it out with a narrow pointed blending brush. My god, wait till you see this shade, y'all. This one is called Peridot, and it's the August birth month's stone. Wow, Kathleen. Wow, you really did it. Wow, queen. Wow. What the? Wow. So I'm going to go ahead and pack in Peridot. I'm going to pack that in to the half center of my lid, to the inner part of my eye. Then I'm just adding more of the shade Jade. This right here is just a little extra. It's the shade Topaz, and I'm adding it to the inner corner of my eye. Oh my god, Kathleen. What? How? I love it. I love it so much. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my other eye and then I'll be right back. Oh my god. Insert, what's her face? Chandler's ex from Friends. Wow. I am so impressed by this palette so much. Thank you, Kathleen, for making such a great palette. I can't wait to make more looks with this. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the makeup look. So, let's go on it. Of course, I'm gonna feature my NYX Wondersticks, and you can get this at your Walmart for $4.48. I suggest you to get it from there because everywhere else is above $5. I found this brand at Target and it's a bronzer. I'm going to apply this with my Mikasa blush brush. This product glides on very smoothly and it blends pretty well. So far, I really like it. If you want to try this product, you can go ahead and get it from your Target for $6. Can we talk about how ugly I look when I'm trying to curl my lashes? Like, girl, that's not a look. For my lashes, I'm using Kiss products, and this one is in, I believe the numbers are 001. Now I'm just adding some touch-ups. I'm adding more jade to frame the eye shape a little bit better. Eyes are complete. For my lips, I'm going to be using Morphe's lipstick in the shade Main Squeeze. Make sure you keep your mouth wide open like this. It helps with the application. For a highlighter, I'm using my Milani Baked Blush. And this is the last step. We're all done. Thank you guys so much for watching and coming back to support me. If you like my content, go ahead and like and subscribe. If you want to see more of me, my Instagram is going to be in the description box below. Thank you. See you next time.